Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to translate a PDF file in Microsoft Edge. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To translate a PDF file in any language from Microsoft Edge, go to File Explorer, select a file which you want to translate. Just right click the PDF file and click on open with and select Microsoft Edge. Go to Microsoft Edge and here in Microsoft Edge just click on the translate button here and the current language will automatically detect, and if you want you can select the current language, click on the auto detect and I am selecting the current language English, and then you will find another language button which is the destination language, and click on the drop down here and I am selecting here Chinese. Select the text from your PDF document and look, the text is translated from English to Chinese. You can select all your text and you will get the text translated in another language. This is the easiest way to translate a PDF file in any language on Microsoft Edge, and you can copy your translated text on your clipboard and then you can paste to any file. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.